today I will show you that you also can do it too and simply replace the old Bose QC25 or QC35 headphone AirPod cushions. All you need to do is buy a headphone replacement air cushion kit. The link to them is in the video description. You can put on any color you like AirPod cushions. As you can see, these old damaged AirPods are not only ugly, but they also affect the sound, which is not so good anymore. As you can see, the AirPods are held to the body of the headphones by these little hooks that are all around in the circle. Your job is to pull the AirPod out sideways from them, but don't pull the AirPod up, otherwise you can break off these little plastic hooks. Also remove the old fabric filter, as we will put a new one in its place. The next step is to clean off any old glue, so it doesn't interfere with the installation of the new air cushion kit. Then take the fabric filter for the correct side, remove the glue protector tape and glue filter to the headphones. Then take the AirPod and try to get it behind as many hooks as possible in the first try. Then hook the edge of the AirPod behind the remaining hooks with your fingernails help. It will be helpful if the nails are not cut for some time. As you can see, for a few dollars it is possible to easily restore the headphones. Then repeat the same steps with the other AirPod cushion. And of course, if this video was helpful to you, I would appreciate for a like and a subscribe. Good luck!